In this video, I will show you step by step how to make your very own lifelike AI avatar that can talk, express emotions, and bring your ideas to life like never before. If you want to follow along and create your own avatars for free, just click the link in the description below and let's get started. So this is the dashboard of Jogg AI and you can see the avatar video. So we are going to use this feature. Also, there are many other features here that you can use, but we will basically focus on the avatar video. Okay, so here you will see many default avatars. Okay, first what you need to do is select the video ratio for your video, either 9:16 or 16:9. 9:16 is for short videos, and from here you can also choose 16:9. You will see many avatars here, and the more you scroll down, the more avatars you will find. Okay, also you can select a category here like lifestyle, outdoors, then business, as well as studio. And you will find all the categories here. If you want to make news related videos, you can click here and you will get all the news related options. Okay, so I will click on studio here and choose an avatar. For example, I liked this first one.
Welcome to the future of UGC video.
After that, you need to click on edit script. Here you will see two options. The first one is script and the second is upload audio. If you already have an audio file, you can upload it here. You can also write your script here, okay? So I will paste my script here. And yes, if you want to add subtitles to your video, you can turn on this subtitles option here. If you on this option, subtitles will be automatically added to your video, okay? Also, you can write your script with the help of AI here. Just click on AI writer and type in the prompt box about what your script should be. It will give you a well written script, okay? And the best part is that here you get many realistic voices that you can use in your video. For that, you just need to click on this drop down menu and you will find so many voices here that you can use easily. Let me play some voices for you.
您好，欢迎使用 Jogg AI。
Okay, this is a different voice. It's a Chinese voice. I will select the language as English from here. By the way, you can see how many languages are available here, like Arabic, Bengali, and Chinese, English, and many other languages are available on this platform. So I will choose English from here, and now all the voices will be in English, okay? From here, you can also choose the gender, like male or female, okay? You can even change the accent, like American, Australian, etc. After that, you can select the age, whether you want a young voice or an old voice, you can define that here, okay? So now let me play some videos for you so that you can listen and check how realistic they are.
Hey, you're not asleep yet.
Hello, I'm Jane, a great voice for any form of narration where you need a strong, older female voice.
The vibe of this voice is whatever. Sarcastic, droll, and dry, she'll entertain you with her wry humor and a side eye.
Loss is nothing else but change, and
Hi there, I'm your go-to voice for narration.
Markets remain steady as tech stocks gain momentum, reflecting investor optimism.
I like this cat voice, so I will select it. For that, I just need to click on it, then scroll down and click confirm. So you can see here we have chosen this voice, right? Now I will click on generate. Here you can enter a name for this file. After that, you can also change the aspect ratio, but I will leave it at 16:9. Then the format will be MP4. So here you can see it's rendering. Once it's completely rendered, I will show it to you. You can see here our video is ready. I will play it and show it to you.
Hey there. This is SoftScope Review, your go-to spot for honest, no-fluff software reviews. From productivity tools to creative apps, I test them all so you don't have to, and you can make informed decisions. Let's explore the best and worst tech together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more.
See how realistic it looks? It doesn't even look like AI, right? And it looks completely realistic, right? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want to download this video, you just need to click on download and your video will start downloading, as you can see. So from here, we will go back to the dashboard. All the videos you create will appear in this project section, okay? Now I will show you how you can create your own avatar. These avatars are available publicly. Anyone can use them. but the one you create will be personal and just for you, okay? For that, we will come back to the home page and click on avatar video again. Now you need to go to my avatars. Here you will see three options: photo avatar, video avatar and product avatar. You will stay on the photo avatar option and then click on create your avatar. Here you will also get four options: text to avatar, photo to avatar, generate avatar looks and custom avatar. You need to click on text to avatar here. Then a dashboard like this will open in front of you. In this box, you have to enter your prompt, like how you want your avatar to look, what kind of background you want, and how it should appear. Explain all the details in this box, okay? I have entered the prompt for my avatar. Now in the basic information section, I will keep it as adult. And then from here, I will select the gender as female. And here you can choose the style for your avatar, either professional or social. I will keep it as professional. Here again, you can provide some information about the background in detail and describe it fully. If you don't want anything specific, you can click on randomize. This will let the AI automatically generate a background prompt for your avatar. After that, from here, you can select the model, either classic or modern. I will keep it as classic. Once everything is done, you need to click on generate. It's generating now. Once it's done, I will show you what kind of avatar it has created for me. So here you can see it has created 4 avatars for us based on the details we entered. I liked the fourth one, it looks perfect. So I will click on it. After that an interface like this will open up. Now here you have to describe the motion, like how the avatar should express itself and all those details. If you don't know, you can click on randomize and it will automatically generate a prompt for you. We can also select the voice later, so for now I will skip that. And here I will click on generate avatar. So it's creating now. Once it's done, I will show you what it looks like. Alright, our avatar is completely ready now. Let me show you where you can find that avatar. For that again you need to click on avatar video.
Hello! Welcome to a
And then go to my avatars. Here you can see the avatars we just created. You just need to click on it.
Welcome AI. Just type.
Then go to edit script and paste your script here. Also from here you can upload your audio file too, okay? So here I will paste my script. Again I will click on voice and select a voice from here. I will change the gender to female. The language will be English and the accent will be American. You can see the voice here. This is the same voice I used last time too. I will select this voice, scroll down and click confirm. After that I will click on generate. Here you can also enter a name for this video. From here you can select the aspect ratio and then click on render. It's preparing the video here. Once it's complete, I will show you how it turned out. Here you can see our video is created and ready. I will play this video for you so you can see how realistic
there.
it looks.
This is SoftScope Review, your go-to spot for honest, no-fluff software reviews. From productivity tools to creative apps, I test them all so you don't have to, and you can make informed decisions. Let's explore the best and worst tech together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more.
Also, if you already have your own avatar, you can use it to create videos as well. For that, you need to click on talking photo and upload your avatar here. I will upload my avatar here. See, our avatar has uploaded. Similarly, you can upload your avatar here, and if you have a script, you can paste it here as well. You can also select the voice and then click on create video. Your video will be created and ready. This is a really amazing tool. If you want to use it for free, there is a link below this video. Just click on that link, create your account on the AI platform, and you can try it out for free. And if you like it, you can definitely go for the paid version. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel ready to create your own ultra realistic talking AI avatars. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials, okay?